So we got 3 clues today. The bear channel, right? That bear channel, again, you can see we had a channel inside of a channel, right? We're going to find that second channel right down here. First clue was the bear channel, right? Sell new lower lows with retracements. Sell the highs of the bear channel. We got a price wedge. That price wedge you can see right here, and a price wedge reminds us to buy the lows and sell the highs, right? There's your price wedge. There's your price wedge. And then don't forget, we are below the range from Wednesday. If we're below the range from Wednesday, that says sellers are in charge, and we want to be, again, new lower lows, selling retracements. Now, those 3 clues, there's one twist to this whole thing. And the big twist is, first of all, we're at the lows of the wedge and the lows of that bear channel. Now, remember, what's the best way to trade a bear channel? Sell the highs of the channel. Where are we? We're at the lows. Now, remember, big drop down. We're concerned we're going to get some sloppy shorts, keep it going down, right? We're concerned it's oversold. And we're also concerned, this is probably one of the hardest things I've had to overcome in my career, is not trying to sell the lows of a bear channel or buy the highs of a bull channel. Okay? It'll make you want to pull your hair out sometimes, because you'll see the trade trigger, it'll go down, then come right back up, and you're like, come on, this isn't working out. It's a bear channel, why aren't we going lower? So we found ourselves early this morning at the lows of that bear channel. We knew we were oversold because of the big drop down overnight, and so we knew that trying to sell those lower lows, even though that's what our price structure tells us, right? We've got 2 big clues to sell lower lows, but we're right at the lows of that bear channel. So boy, all of this stuff adds up here, and we think to ourselves, it's going to be a real tough time selling those retracements on the way down because of the lows of that bear channel. So we stayed patient, we kept our eyes peeled for that exhaustion pattern, and then we bought those lows and brought it right back up. Now at 8:45, we sell a new lower low with a retracement. That goes right hand in hand with my outside day, with my bear channel. It now tells me, see, we're not going to get that easy short. So now we find ourselves at the lows of this bear channel. And at the lows of the bear channel, we're going to buy. I'm going to buy at that support. Now, why am I so intent on buying? Because this whole time, I am trying to find a way to get into a long position because I'm expecting that big short covering rally. Okay, we had this big drop. One of these moves is going to be that short covering rally. And I want to be involved in it. We knew the short side, it might drop out. Probably not though. And when I saw the 8:45 trade kind of go sour there against me, you can see it worked out. But just like I thought, it was going to be real sloppy. It worked out just fine. But boy, very sloppy inside of that candle. We get down to the lows of this bear channel. At 9 o'clock here, guys, we make 40 ticks buying those lows. Now, follow me down here. Let me show you guys how we actually got into that trade, because the pattern didn't show up in my 13 range chart. The pattern shows up on my 4 range. And so you can see here we come down, swing high 1, swing high 2. I'm going to skip that first entry to make sure those buyers are really there. Well, once it breaks that second swing high, you can either take the break of it or simply buy the pullback, and you're off for the races.